Hello all. In continuation to the series of what's new in 2023 release wave 2, let's talk about one nice, great enhancement for developers. Believe me, it's gonna make your life super easier when you're dealing with methods which have overloads. I personally have struggled with it for a very long time, and I think it'll save so much time that I have because now intelligence is getting smarter. It'll get you more signature recommendation based on as you start typing things, which is nice because I always have to look up and then check it, and that was a pain, right? Because one of the common uses of intelligence while authoring code is to get the parameters that you need. Now, intelligence is a great way, but it doesn't show you options when you're dealing with overloaded methods, especially. And you have to automatically go back and understand it. So, as of today, when there are multiple method overloads, the user will have to switch them by choosing which is the right overload. And now, going forward, intelligence is going to be pretty smarter and will help you to reorder and prioritize relevant order overloads when developers start typing the values into the method. If the type value matches to one of the given overload, you'll continue typing it and intelligence will support you as you start typing. If it does not, then it'll just tell you that there's an error message and it doesn't understand that, right? Hopefully that makes sense. And let's quickly see a demo of it. So let's create a new file and I'll call it as test.al. Okay, and let's create it as a code unit. Okay, 50102. And here, as in the screenshot, let's try creating the similar variable on email message. And if you haven't seen the series, there is a whole series about email messaging. To watch it, I'll add it on somewhere on the right hand side of this as a suggestion video to watch it because all the emailing scenarios have been covered there. And there's one coming up next week. So keep an eye on the channel. Now, email message allows you to create emails, but then there are different overloads that are available to create messages. So what you do is you say email message dot create to create an email message. Now what happens when you do a dot create is in the past you had to kind of rely on this area saying, oh, this is the first one, remember the parameters, second one, third one, fourth one, which was a nightmare, right? Now I know that I need to pass the recipient. So if you see right now, it says 3 out of 4. So I'll type in my email ID. Okay. Email.com. And then I put a comma. And now it should start suggesting me that I need to type a subject. It should do that. Okay. Subject line. Okay, then the next one is body. So if I type email body, the intelligence keeping in mind that I'm in here and keeping me in context of it and not removing that, and I say true. So now it understands that I'm doing that. What if I try to do it again? Okay, let's see. This time I would, before doing that, let me create a list. Let me do that. Demo list of text. Okay, I've done that. And let me start typing in, and I say demo list. Okay, and 2 comma. If you see, it just directly as I typed the list of text as my first parameter, it automatically switched it context from being 3 to 1. And now if I type subject, it's a subject, and then body is my body, and then HTML formatted is true. So as I'm typing it, it kind of understand which of these overloads I'm going to use and then automatically update the view that you're seeing to let you know what would be your next parameter and what are its values. So people who have worked with overloaded method will understand that how this small enhancement will make their life so easier, and it makes it so much easier that I don't have to go back every time and remember the parameters that I need to use while I'm creating or utilizing that particular method which have an overload. So let me know what you think about this small but pretty useful enhancement for developers. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you think that other developers should know about it, which you should think about it, then share it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. I'll come back to you sooner than later with what's new in 2023 release wave 1, as we are continuing this series for a while. And let me know your comments in the comment section of these videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.